Yeah,
Ben from Penang.
Yes, Ben is all the way from Penang. So, Ben, you would like to tell a little bit your story, your journey with Clinic Dr. Inder?
Yes, I started off with the transplant around year 2019 on month of March. So it's around 3 years now. So everything just works so fine, you know, with the hairs that actually been transplant. It grows, then obviously it maintains as well. That's the amazing part of it. So now I'm actually planning to add on additional graft to make it more compact. That's what, yes.
Yeah. So there you see Ben, who has actually lost a lot of hair 3 years ago and has come and done his hair restoration and very faithfully coming to the clinic for the maintenance of PRP. And on top of that, he's also become a patient for other services that are offered.
Partial ambassador, I recommended a lot of customers over.
Yes,
all the way from Penang, yes.
All the way from Penang. You know what they'll say? Oh, I saw Ben's hair. Ben recommended. Wow.
It's actually from the Facebook profile because I keep on going here and there, so I do a lot of posting. So whenever they see my hair compared to years ago, so much here.
Yes, you see how natural it is. So this is how it is, like an example. He became an example. People saw. They just walked in and come in and, doctor, when can I do? No need to ask anything else. So simple. Because Ben, you are the face for Clinic Dr. Inder Hair Restoration. So I personally like to appreciate and thank Ben for giving me the support, giving our team and our clinic from this support, bringing so many patients from Penang to do their hair restoration. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I'll be coming more often, you know, for other aesthetics as well.
Yes.
Fat freezing.
Yeah, fat freezing, because we have a whole lot of body contouring.
Yes.
And our prices are very reasonable. So I think all that attracts everybody to come in to become part of the family of Clinic Dr. Inder. So thank you again, Ben. Let's thumbs up to Ben, to Clinic Dr. Inder. And